Now let me continue the fourth content of this chapter. Before what we discuss, the changing leave for widows, right? Then girls, now this fourth content, the girls begin going to school. First, the many reformers felt that improve the condition of women, educating the girls was necessary. Many reformers in the Bombay and Vidyasagar in the Kolkata set up schools for girls. And then third, aristocratic, the Muslim families in the North India, women learned to read and Korean Arabic. They were taught by the women who came home to teach. Okay, now is a token basically talking about women should empowering, right? Women should get through education. The women can empowering. 아들 부모로다 도올래죠. 부모로다 돈 롭존데 기준부터 망부지 지속에 나누야 상다 지기 yargeki namba yargeki khilenigi ani ta chigi kera nyenda jingi ta social reform ishiva janda vidyasagar and then Ramaphai and then Rajaram Roy Swami Dayanand Saraswati the manguji Quran to karisang bolsani karik tim sanga timur mudu jolo lobchon tebe educating if you educating the girls right if you educating pumol lobchon tebe na ta ani ji ta ji shuji ta necessary shuji geju muri lejo 아직 디스네가 슈즈리스 공부지기 답변은 bombe vidyasagar dikare kolkata lo pumu lobda sawo together 당연히 muslim family in north india yung quran especially read lo jo ya korean the arabic du loya ta jangya ta nalketa ne ode relabya mixe ki pumu kana rama phai du session 좀 empowering chigo 좀 through empowering chigo mo lo de jo okay that is also important. Now, fifth content of this chapter, you can see the women write about women, right? Now, first, the Muslim women like Beckham of the book Bhopal promoted education among the women and founded a primary school for the girls at Alaka. Second, the Beckham Rokia Sakawat Hussain started school for the Muslim girls in the Patna and Kolkata. Then third, Indian women began to enter universities by 1880. Some of them trained to be a doctor and teachers. Pandit Ramaphai was a great scholar of Sanskrit, wrote a book called Miserable Lives of Upper-Class Hindu Women. Then fifth, she founded the widows' homes Punna to provide shelter to the widows who had been treated by their husband's relatives. The six Jawaharlal Nehru and Subhash Chandra Bose. The Subhash Chandra Bose gives their support to the demand for the great equality and freedom for the women. Okay, now the mugi pumugan tirila mugi touch. Mixing the mugu dinner Muslim woman that kachigi pumu. I came to Tashina Ani Morangi Mixegi Bobala promoting education mugi. Lobda family that's a Tambune to Mawango family club. Also Alakal such a service Mole family club. Anashingi Beckham Rukiasa or Hussein Korea's great one of the women's great social reform motivate. Quran the Muslim girls and Patna the Kolkata and mixing Muslim yes, then Indian women begin ta jina komugi total treasure ta university la na tholok khal tu khadu ye ko chu se chil chi tun ke ke jus ne ko chu res de pomu kha se training ta train na ta mo ju thesa ki professional ki kunte ni ani de ki geng lok chu ni chele ba ni ani am ki ta ki geng la so ko ta de mo yo mushiraj pomu de mo ju chaya ki ta chi yo ko tholok le do ni ta chi the Chinese name Res. Pandit Ramaphai was a great scholar of Sanskrit. The scholar and Kyawanchar Sanskrit. And Quran get kept to you. Ani Chidangi miserable and pet Kangegi. That Zubla Kangegi, the upper class Hindu woman in France. The upper class level, the class, upper class Hindu woman Kangi problem which being faced by the in Hindu women's kanget Hindu these are among theories. That shingi Kurangi she found widow home the Ramapai Pandit Ramapai widow and the Chowa Tosa Yukuranzulaya such Kangba the Dichi provide schedule and Kangba the Tenny and Kunzulaya Chitangi Kunzuki Nangmida Choge Nangmida the Yahomashi with the Kurans mixing Kangba the Kurans they said the Yori. Jawaharlal Nehru, the Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, the first great freedom fighters, Subhash Chandra Bose, the idea that the Quran support terrorists, want support equality for women, Chanyum Boris, Quran's leader, the support terrorists. Now here the caste, you can see the caste and the social reform. First, social reformer criticized caste inequality. Farhan Matali was founded in 1840, Bombay to work with abolition caste. The Christian missionary they began the setting up the schools for the tribal group and lower caste children. So in here is the most important caste and social reform. Caste nalolaya tajinagi. Parhaman ki mandalis the tajitangi Arya Samaj, Brahmo Samaj, wo the foundation do association do talk about NGO non-government organization run the form chini from the middle the 가르치에서는 social reformer 상황 염돌된 inequality 이너로야 찬용 면조 가르도 especially promote들을 강해 and especially 지존으로 강해 치슈드 가르치는 가스디요 아니 가스디 막 abolish라는 맵스에 군들 딱 탑주치고 most of the social reformers are joined in caste abolish like Dayanit, Swami Dayanit Saraswati, like Swami Dayanit Saraswati, Raja Raman Roy, Aishwarchandra Vidyasagar, 아주 게르게라쟁기, 니라쟁기, 아니 지도는 상주들이 킬링이 넘버 창말로 딱씩 보내 아니 저기 아니 릭라디 때문에도 sigma 맵소 보고도 답주치. Especially Christian missions, Christian missionary 라는 딱자 이 먼저기 이슈기 어디로 이슈기 통해 이 Christian Catholic the Protestant 망고여로 아니는 Christian기 줄루기 아니 로브라든데 죽니 tribal level은 아니 신나기만 되니 그 멕시칸의 연구보다 those people who are living forest 기는 연구도 좀 대지도 lower caste children도 좀 믹스기 좀 대지도 Christian missionary and especially rural area गांव 추추추추 도와래 로브라 죽니 아니 로브중다 이렇게 caste 돌아야 분석을 내가 먹지 that is you have to keep in your mind. And now here 7 continue of this chapter, the demand for equality and justice. Now by the second half of the 19th century, the people from within the lower caste began the organizing movement against the caste discrimination and demanded social equality and justice. Then Satnami movement Jain Central India was founded at the Gasta who came from the low caste, and in eastern Bengal, Haldal's struggles, Mudasak worked among the low caste. Kendala cultivator Haldal's portions a permanent tax that supported the caste system. The demand for equality and justice equality the chanyumda 당대나들래요. 먼저 기타 지단기 뒤로 쭈꾸비기 로리야. Low caste 비망부지기 angete their problem the been faced by the low class like Shudras, like peasants, those who extremely their problem been faced by the low caste. Now they are coming together. Organizing the movement. They're organizing the movement. They against for the caste discrimination which exists in Indian society. They demanded social equality and justice. The low caste 미상마다 릭마게 미상마로다 니드마스니 세니 상마로 독서 찍을 띠니 한쪽 모르게 보았다. 가스라디 고에멘도스 디 간조 같이 그러서는 디스크리미네이와 인지치 지도노로야 니야와 치도스 돌아야 가스토도돌아야 아니지 제대로다 가스마도로 통중다 개수다 한다는 신기 아니 지기 transparency다 accountability 나가나시기 justice 요 말이스. 땅에 망고지 테디고. 그러니까 릭토도 릭망도 통중단다 계수였다. 나가나시기 장고마제다. 나가나시기 냥윤 슈쇼 단데서 봐. 아니 호주 마선이 니 글로그라스 니 세니 아니 호주 가르치고 있어. 호주 against고 호주 상망냠들이 coming together. 호주 fight 치고 있다. for 치고. 그냥도 for 치고서는 upper caste 놈도 for 치는. 미 안줄에 demand 가지고 equality 안줄 찬용 고도 안줄 당ling 고도 몰라. That is also that's the movement descended the founded by this two foundation Gasita gift dichivres. Quran khanes in the low caste dichivres. Low caste in Dusumba, that honishing low caste in Quran gita gain kini moment de Kachin in India gis Jin centered in a Yalani, any Kajo upper caste in Yandula, Tamandula, Tamdela, Chanyumda, justice, equality, transparency, accountability to go you know. Okay, the raising the voice the Quran get muscle. Thank you. Okay, that is also Ichimuche. Isn't bangle in the harda the tagu, I didn't put ya low caste so much cultivated Tashingatami, and Kunzuki Burman clinical text to supported caste system teaching. Kuzuyana, Shingi, Kunzu support chair. Do some low caste, do some of the yoni, so sort of qualified she was an upper caste latin. Okay. Now here the woman has a reform. You can see the Jyotira Pao, who wrote that Jyotira Pao is one of the great writer and great social reformer who wrote the book called Gulam Giri. You can see the Gulam Giri. You can okay. In these books, talking about the problem which exists in the Indian women's like caste system, dowry, like sati system. There are so many problems, right? The unequal distribution of the asset, the properties, yeah, discrimination between boys and girls, right? There are so many problems being imposed on so many restrictions on imposed on the girls, Indian women's.